Hey there. So we're gonna check out this new LG Cord Zero A931KWM model. This is an exciting new development in the vac line for LG. It's coming in this beautiful essence white. First thing I notice about the handheld is how ergonomic and lightweight it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put its battery in. This will give me 60 minutes of runtime. Super smooth, gives that nice satisfying click. Got my wand in there. I'm gonna start with this dual Floor Max nozzle. Now, as it stands, I'm at just under 6 pounds, so really easy to use. This wand telescopes up to 10 inches, so now I can get those hard to reach high places if I really need to. One big benefit to the Cord Zero is the fact that it will remove about 99.9% of allergens in your home. That's done through a five-step filtration process. If I take this off, you'll notice there is a filter here, there is a filter here, there's 2 internal filters, and then there's a cyclone filter that I can easily remove. My crevice tool doubles as a key. And now I can run this under warm water, get all the debris and particles out of it, put it back in, and I'm good to go. It really could not be easier to use. These are both washable. They can go right under the sink. Make sure you dry them out. Washable, washable, and washable. It's really easy to figure out how to put this back. There's actually a lock mechanism right here, and it shows me where to twist it. So you line up the circles, and then you can lift. And to put it back, line it back up, turn it the opposite direction so that the LG logo is facing out. Once we're done using our A931KWM, we can easily store it in the tower that it came with. This is its charging station, but it's also the home for all of the tools that it's come with. So this awesome crevice tool, great for corners of my couch, and then this combination brush tool, which is great for cleaning those keyboards that get stuck with crumbs. They actually can live right on the side here. I can dock my wand right there. Before I put it away, I wanted to point out this dual Floor Max nozzle is great for any situation in your home. It's got 2 motorized brushes on the bottom. One is smooth for your wood and your tile surfaces, and then you've got a coarser brush that will pick up things right off of your carpeting and your upholstery, which is really helpful. All-in-one tool. So we talked about the wand and the handheld. Let's kind of get into the tower for a minute. This will offer auto cleaning if you have it turned on, or you can leave it as a manual thing. Make sure you pair your A931 to your ThinkQ app because it will give you notifications when this bag is full. But let me just show you where that lives. So there's a 3-step filtration process which actually helps remove the allergens from the air before you go to remove your bag. So you have a filter here in the bag, you have a filter below the bag, and then the third one is below that. So that all connects like that, and then you can dock it. In the box, you do get an extra bag and an extra filter. Nice to have those, but there are 2 installed already.